Hi, this is going to be my defense to your rebuttal. So I have three contentions. Two of them are in response to two of your contentions, and then I have one additional contention that is just something that I thought was crucial to include. So my first contention is in response to your contention that the over-reliance of AI is a result of digital illiteracy. And to that, I say that the over-reliance of AI can cause humans to forget skills that they've learned. My second contention is that um, AI art hurts real artists. You mentioned that it can give us more means to justify our imaginations. So that my contention is in response to that. And then my third contention is that AI can cause environmental harm, which is really important to consider when talking about anything really. So my first contention, um, I wanted to point out that you said that AI is considered a tool, or it is a tool, and I agree with that. I think that AI is a tool that humans can use, um, but I feel like that tool ultimately ends up being a crutch to people, to many people, because the easier and faster it is for us as humans to get certain things done, certain tasks done, the more we rely on it because of that fact, because it will help us get things done quicker. And therefore, the less that we will rely on things that we've learned from school, like you were talking about. We learn proofs and we learn different things like this so that when we use calculators, um, we already know and have prior knowledge about it. But if we're constantly using calculators, then we're not practicing what we've learned and therefore losing those skills because we're not practicing that and we're likely forgetting how to do those things. And so then my second contention, um, in response to how you say that generative AI can help spark imagination, I do agree with that. But in the, I guess, area of art and AI, I wanted to point out that a lot of AI art, it just can affect the, I guess, like money and income that like actual artists can get because the AI produces like cheap, fast production of like art, and so that takes away from obviously real artists making their art and trying to sell it for what it's actually worth when people can just get AI art and it'll be a lot cheaper, they'll get it a lot quicker, and so it kind of takes away from the real art of like creating and feeling. So I wanted to point that out. For my third contention about how AI can cause environmental harm, I think it's important to point out that when training the AI models, this uses a lot of electricity, and then that also can increase carbon emissions. Um, and also, a lot of the data centers that power AI systems require massive water consumption for cooling. And so, this increased amount of water consumption can affect the environment in several ways that are negative, and that's obviously not good. So I still stand in favor of not using AI. Thank you.